Welcome everyone. Today we will discuss about the articles of Indian constitutions. Today we will try to cover from part 1 to part 4a. We all know that originally in Indian constitutions we have 22 parts. So today we will try to cover from part 1 to part 4a. And we all know that in any competitive exams regarding articles, we find questions. So I think this video will be very helpful for you. Okay, so let's start. In part 1, there is the union and its territory. And the article number 1, there is name and territory of the union. The second article is about admission or establishment of new states. And 2a is repealed. Okay, let's go to the article number 3. Article number 3 is about formation of new states and alteration of areas, boundaries or names of existing states. So article number 4 is about laws made under article 2 and 3 to provide for the amendment of the first and the fourth schedules and supplemental, incidental and consequential matters. Okay, let's move to the part 2. It's about citizenship. So citizenship is from article 5. Start from article 5. The article 5 is about citizenship at the commencement of the constitution. And article number 6 is rights of citizens of certain persons who have migrated to India from Pakistan. Article number 7 is about rights of citizenship of certain migrants to Pakistan. Article number 8 is rights of citizenship of certain persons of India origin residing outside India. Article number 9 is persons voluntarily acquiring citizenship of a foreign state not to be citizens. And the article number 10 is about continuance of the rights of citizenship. Article number 11 is about Parliament to regulate the right of citizenship by law. Okay, let's move to the part 3. And part 3 is about fundamental rights. And from this part, many questions have come in any competitive exam. So this part will be very important for you all. Okay, first there are many parts, like in general. Article number 12 is about definition. Article number 13 is about laws inconsistent with or in derogation of the fundamental rights. And right to equality is from 14 to 18, you all know. So in Article 14, there is equality before law. Article number 15 is about prohibition of discrimination on grounds of religion, race, caste, sex, or place of birth. Article number 16 is about equality of opportunity in matters of public employment. Article number 17 is about abolition of untouchability. Article number 18 is about abolition of titles. Okay, next, fundamental is right to freedom. So in Article 19 is about protection of certain rights regarding freedom of speech, etc. Article number 20 is about protection in respect of conviction for offences. Article number 21 is about protection of life and personal liberty. Article number 22 is about protection against arrest and detention in certain cases. Okay, the right against exploitation is carries 23 and 24 articles. So 23 article is about prohibition of traffic in human beings and forced labor. 24 article is about prohibition of employment of children in factories, etc. Okay, right to freedom of religion, it's starting from 25 number article, and there is freedom of conscience and free profession practice and propagation of religion. Article number 26 is freedom to manage religious affairs. 27 number article is about freedom as to payment of taxes for promotion of any particular religion. Article number 28 is about freedom as to attendance at religious instruction or religious worship in certain educational institutions. If this video is really helpful for you, then don't forget to like this video and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Okay, next is about cultural and educational rights. Article number 29 is protection of interest of minorities, and article number 30 is right of minorities to establish and administer educational institutions. 31 is repealed. Saving of certain laws started from 31A, saving of laws providing for acquisition of estates, etc. 31B is about validation of certain acts and regulations. 31C is about saving of laws giving effect to certain directive principles. 31D repealed. Next is right to constitutional remedies. It started from 32 number article, and there is remedies for enforcement of rights conferred by this part. 32A is repealed. 33 number article is about power of Parliament to modify the rights conferred by this part in their application to forces, etc. And 34 number article is about restriction on rights conferred by this part while martial law is in force in any area. 35 number article is about legislation to give effect to the provisions of this part. Okay, next move to the part 4, that is about directive principles of state policy. And 36 number article is about definition. 37 is application of the principles contained in this part. 38 number is state to secure a social order for the promotion of welfare of the people. 39 number article is about certain principles of policy to be followed by the state. 39A article number is about equal justice and free legal aid. 42 article is about 40 number article is about organization of village panchayats. 41 number articles is about right to work, to education and to public assistance in certain cases. 42 number article is about provisions for just and humane conditions of work and maternity relief. 42 number article is about living wage, etc. for workers. 43A is about participation of workers in management of industries. 44 number article is about uniform civil code for the citizens. 45 number articles is about provisions for free and compulsory education for children. 46 number article is about promotion of educational and economic interest of scheduled castes, scheduled tribes, and other weaker sections. 47 number article is about duty of the state to raise the level of nutrition and the standard of living and to improve public health. Next, 48 number article is organization of agriculture and animal husbandry. 48A is about protection and improvement of environment and safeguarding of forest and wildlife. 49 number article is about protection of monuments and places and objects of national importance. 50 number article is about separation of judiciary from executive. 51 is about promotion of international peace and security. And like this, we will try to put some other topics also in our channel so that it helps you to prepare any competitive exams. Okay, the last part 4A is about fundamental duties, and 51A is about fundamental duties. Okay, I hope this video you will like it, and if you think this video will helpful for others also, then you can share this video also. Thank you.